Hello everyone. So today we are going to talk about bash and how variables work and why to use export and when to use export for any variable in bash. So for this I will take a very simple example. I have created a a.sh script here. This just defines two AAA which has a value of AAA. Now the second one I have done an export and the first one I have not done an export. So we can see how these variables behave. Okay. So now we know that we can run a bash script with bash a.sh. So let's try to do that and see how it works. Echo $AA. We can see that it is present. AAA, this is also present. Now let's unset this. AA. So now you can see that these variables are not present anymore. We also know that we can run the script as a.sh, right? So let's run this script as /a.sh. The behavior should be exactly same. Okay, let me open a new terminal. Okay. Okay, so a.sh, we can see $AA is not set and AAA is also not set. Okay. Now the reason it is not set is when we run it using commands like bash a.sh or /a.sh, the script itself is executed in a separate shell which is a child shell of the current shell, and once the script finishes that just exits. And it will never export back the variables that you have defined in your shell scripts back to the parent shell. So you will not see those variables here. Now the other way that you know of and you always wonder is why I do a source order a.sh or space dot space a.sh is what we are going to see now. Now when I do this, you can see that $AA is defined, $AAA is defined. Right, source or when you source it with dot space the script name basically executes in the current context and doesn't actually create a new shell where the script is executed. Now there are two variables that we have defined, and one we have done an export and one we have not exported, right? Now how does this make a difference? Let's try to see that. So now if I create a child shell by just executing bash, then I can see that I have now two bash shells running inside this PTS. One is the original one and the other is the one that we have executed by typing bash. Now let's see here, and we can see that AA doesn't exist whereas AAA exists, and this is because for AAA we have done export, which basically means that these variables are also exported to the subshells that are created for this shell, whereas for AA we did not. Is that when we create a new child cell, the child cell will not inherit those variables from the parent shell. So that's all I wanted to clarify for today. Thanks.